In this video, I'm going to tell you the secrets of exactly how savvy business owners grow their businesses and get rich using federal contracts. The government spends about $500 billion a year buying products and services, and over $130 billion a year goes to small businesses. In this video, I'm going to reveal the three-step process successful business owners use to take advantage of federal contracts to grow their business and gain wealth. What do the most successful business owners in federal contracting have in common? They use this three-step process to win really big contracts and make money. First, get certified. Next, get a mentor. And finally, the payoff, form a joint venture and win really big contracts. First, you want to get as many certifications as possible. Different contracts are set aside for different certifications, and the government has separate set-aside quotas for each different category. The more certifications you have, the more avenues a contracting officer has to contract with your business. One benefit of certifications is that they allow you to get sole source contracts. This means you are not competing on price with other companies. You negotiate a fair price for the contract directly with the federal agency. If you qualify, you should definitely apply for 8A certification. That's the program for socially and economically disadvantaged business owners. For example, 8A companies can receive sole source contracts up to $100 million. You heard that right. 8A companies can receive non-competitively bid contracts up to $100 million. Next, you want to form a mentor-protégé agreement with a larger, more experienced business. Note that any small business can be a protégé. You don't have to be an 8A firm. Developing a mentor-protégé agreement takes time, but it is a game changer in terms of growing your business. What are the benefits for your firm? Well, you gain access to a mentor's policies, financial resources, and experience. For example, maybe you don't have in-depth corporate policies, procedures, and systems. Your mentor can assist you in preparing record retention policies, annual review forms, or proposal templates. Your mentor can help design an internal audit process, a QA system, or a contract management system. In addition, you may not have the financial resources to bid on large contracts. Your mentor's contracting history may help you obtain higher bonding limits. The mentor might take an equity stake in your company, providing you with needed cash. Or your mentor's financial history may help you receive more favorable credit limits or lending terms. If you're new to federal contracting, business development is an area where your mentor can really help you, getting your foot in the door with a new customer, finding contract opportunities, and preparing proposals. Those are just a few examples of areas where the mentor's experience can help you grow. Now, why would a large business want to do this for you? Well, remember that about $130 billion a year is set aside for small businesses. That's $130 billion that large businesses have no way of touching unless they're part of a mentor-protégé agreement. So the big payoff from doing all this comes when mentor and protégé form a joint venture and compete for federal small business set-aside contracts. This is important, so let me say that again. A large business mentor can form a joint venture with its protégé to bid on work reserved for small businesses, so long as its protégé is eligible for the contract. So together with your mentor, you bid on large government contracts that have been set aside for small businesses. And there are some really big contracts that are set aside for small businesses. $100 million contracts, all the way up to $500 million contracts. Now, maybe you couldn't perform on a $100 million contract by yourself. Maybe you don't have the past performance experience to prove that you can handle a contract that size, or you don't have the financing or bonding. So you form a joint venture with your mentor and you win large government contracts. And that's basically it. That's how savvy business owners use federal contracts to grow their businesses and make a lot of money. Of course, there are a lot of details, and I'll be posting videos covering each step in detail to walk you through the process. I've also put in the notes below links to key resources to get you started. Have you tried federal contracting? Have you gotten certified? Have you found a mentor? If not, what stopped you? Let me know in the comments your experiences. Hey folks, if you got value from this video, please be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. Also, do let me know in the comments what topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. I do love hearing from you and learning about your experiences. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.